Go. Okay, not bad. There's my car. Buried. Okay, here we go. Going again? I got the recording going still. Do one more turn. See you. What happened? You get stuck over in that part?